Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the Lewis structure of AsCl5 molecule. It's a chemical formula of arsenic pentachloride. For determining the Lewis structure, we will first count the total number of valence electrons. We have one arsenic atom having 5 valence electrons and 5 chlorine atoms having 7 valence electrons. Now that gives us a total of 40 valence electrons. Let us see the arrangement of atoms. For that, we will place arsenic in the center and arrange chlorine atoms around it somewhat like this. And then, to show bond between these atoms, we will place pair of electrons in between each atom. Now, as you can see, each chlorine atom here needs 6 more electrons for complete octet. So, let us go ahead and assign 6 electrons to each chlorine atom. Doing that, we have used all our valence electrons and each atom in this Lewis structure has complete outer shell and zero formal charge. So this is the final Lewis structure of AsCl5. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.